The Honeywell 70 kilowatt liquid-cooled home commercial standby generator reinforces your home with the ultimate in reassurance. Unlike portable generators, this standby generator will automatically start within seconds of detecting a power outage, and the inclusion of precision power technology allows for confident operation of sensitive electronic equipment and microchip-based appliances. Running on your home's existing natural gas or LP gas fuel supply, this allows for 24/7 backup and continuous running until power is restored. It comes with a mobile link monitoring system, allowing you to check your generator's status using a smart device, whisper check technology, which does a self-test that runs at a lower RPM, making it quieter and lower in fuel consumption, 2-line LCD trilingual digital sync controller, electronic governor, closed coolant recovery system, and is packed inside a sound-attenuated aluminum enclosure with a rhino coat powder coat finish, making it perfect for all weather conditions. The Honeywell 70 kilowatt liquid-cooled home commercial standby generator is SCAQMD compliant, UL 2200 listed, and comes with a 2-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.